Hi, my name is Viola Brown. Welcome to my channel, aka Nail Cover Lover. Let's get started. Hello all my beautiful friends. Today we are going to be doing a set of fall nails with the Beetles and Burano 3-in-1 and some stickers from Amazon. And my brushes will be from Amazon, and so will my picker-upper and my tweezers. And yeah, so this is what I'm doing here. I'm going to go ahead and lay a base coat to all of the nails one at a time as I do my color. First, we're going to start off with 342 from Beetles. Guys, I do have 338 and 452 from Beetles on my table, but I do not end up using them. I just wanted to let you know that. This here is the 337 from Beetles, which is the yellow. I do put 2 coats of the yellow onto my pointer finger and half of the middle finger. And for the burgundy, which is the 342, I did put 2 coats on the pinky and the thumb. And I will be putting 328 next, which is the orange, on my ring finger and half of the middle finger. And like I said, I did put a base coat underneath both of those. And in the middle, I will be placing a line in the middle of my middle finger. And that will be with the 342 as well. And next we'll be adding the stickers after that. And I'll come back if I need to. Anyways, I want to welcome everybody here. If you've been here with me, I so greatly thank you for coming back time and time again and watching my videos. And here I'm using my striping brush for to put the line down the middle between the yellow and the orange. And then I will be using a striping brush again to put the red line, or the burgundy line, down the middle too. But if you're new here, I hope you like what you see and you stick around and hit that subscribe button. And if you like what you see, give me a big old thumbs up. And also, share this out. Share this out to everybody. If you think that it deserves it, share it out. Leave me a comment down below what you think. I so greatly appreciate each and every one of you. And yeah, I'll be back when I need to. Here I'm just taking some base coat and cleaning off my brush in between uses of the colors, because you don't want to use alcohol because it does destroy your brushes. So that's just a little tidbit to know. Use your base coat to clean your brushes. Oh my god, I love how these turn out. Wait to see them at the end. I will be showing a photo of them. And yeah, I also apply my cuticle oil, which is loved by Verdi's cuticle oil. Here I am applying the 342, the burgundy color, down the middle of the orange and the yellow nail. This is so to tie in all the colors. I just thought it looked pretty cool. Here I am applying, trying to get this sticker off, and it's a hollow leaf, and having a little difficulty here, but I do get it on there, and I just wanted that for a little bit of contrast behind the 3D leaves that I'm getting ready to apply. And yeah, they were a pain to get off of this paper too. But yeah, I got these leaves last year, and I've been wanting to use them, and I saved them just to put on my own nails. So that's what you're seeing here. Now look at that. Look how hard it is to get that off of there. Watch, watch. Oh, here we go. I got it. Oh yeah, watch this. And when I go to apply, yeah, I had to put some base coat around it all. And here I am putting it on the middle one, sorting them around to where I want them to go. And yeah, that's about it on those. And this is put on with the 3-in-1 from Burano, which is a top coat, so I didn't have to do no top coating. But I did put some more extra around the leaves. And that is it, guys. I so greatly appreciate you guys coming. See you in the next one.